Nobody told you that some of the most profitable small factories today are not giant manufacturing plants. They are actually small pouch packaging businesses running from homes and small workshops. Think about it. Every day we buy products in small packets: spices, sauces, snacks, tea, candies, even pet food. Behind each of those packets is a simple machine turning raw products into branded retail goods. Stick around, because today I'm sharing 15 pouch packing machines that can help you start a small factory business and potentially scale it to $10,000 a month or more. The Suni Wet Wipes pouch packing machine is designed for producing single-use wipes used in restaurants, airlines, hotels, and travel kits. This fully automatic system can perform folding, liquid filling, cutting, sealing, and counting in one continuous process. Modern models use servo motors and a touchscreen interface, so operators can easily adjust production speed and package size. Production speed can reach 200 to 300 packs per minute, depending on the wipe size, making it suitable for small commercial production. Most machines are built with stainless steel frames and PLC control systems for hygiene and stable operation. The price typically ranges between $4,000 and $9,000, depending on configuration. This machine helps entrepreneurs produce hygiene products like baby wipes, disinfectant wipes, and travel wipes, which are always in high demand in supermarkets and hospitality businesses. The Caillou Powder Pouch Packing Machine is designed to package dry powdered products such as protein powder, barley powder, milk powder, flour, spice mixes, and herbal supplements. This machine usually combines an auger filling system with vertical pouch sealing technology, ensuring precise measurement and minimal product waste. Most models support packaging sizes between 10 grams and 1 kilogram, and can produce around 20 to 60 pouches per minute, depending on the powder density. The machine frame is typically made of food-grade stainless steel, with automatic bag forming, filling, sealing, and cutting functions. The investment usually falls between $3,000 and $8,000, making it a strong option for beginners entering the spice, supplement, or baking ingredient market. With the right branding, powder products like health mixes, instant drinks, and seasoning blends can generate strong profits in local markets and online stores. The Kangbite Modified Atmosphere Tray Sealing Machine is widely used in ready-to-eat food businesses and meal prep factories. Instead of simple pouch sealing, this machine seals food trays while controlling oxygen levels inside the package. This technology helps extend the shelf life of meals like rice dishes, salads, noodles, meat products, and frozen foods, which replace oxygen with nitrogen or carbon dioxide to keep food fresh longer. Typical machines operate at 6 to 12 trays per minute, depending on tray size. The investment ranges from $6,000 to $15,000, depending on automation level. This type of machine enables entrepreneurs to launch ready meal brands for supermarkets, gyms, and food delivery platforms, a market that is growing rapidly worldwide. The JD Ice Pop packaging machine is designed to produce frozen juice sticks, ice pops, yogurt sticks, and flavored drinks packed in long tube pouches. These products are extremely popular in hot climates and can be sold in schools, supermarkets, and street kiosks. The machine usually includes liquid filling pumps, film sealing units, and automatic cutting systems that create hundreds of ice pop sachets per hour. Typical production capacity ranges between 1,500 and 3,000 sticks per hour. The investment is usually around $2,500 to $6,000, making it one of the most affordable pouch packaging businesses. Because raw ingredients like juice, sugar, and flavoring are inexpensive, many small factories achieve strong profit margins selling frozen treats locally. The MK Machine Triangle Tea Bag Packaging System is designed for producing premium pyramid tea bags used by specialty tea brands. Unlike traditional flat tea bags, pyramid bags allow tea leaves to expand better, improving flavor extraction. This machine automatically performs tea weighing, bag forming, ultrasonic sealing, tag attachment, and outer pouch packaging. Production capacity usually ranges between 30 and 60 tea bags per minute, depending on configuration. The price typically falls between $7,000 and $15,000. With the global tea market growing rapidly, entrepreneurs can package herbal teas, detox blends, and specialty loose-leaf tea for online stores and health shops. Premium tea packaging often sells at high margins, making this machine attractive for small beverage brands. The Forbona chocolate wrapping machine is designed to wrap chocolate bars, candy bars, and confectionery snacks in sealed pouches. These machines can run at 200 to 600 pieces per minute, depending on product size. They use high-speed servo motors and intelligent temperature control systems to maintain consistent packaging quality. Most machines support multiple packaging materials, such as aluminum foil, laminated film, or plastic wrap. The investment generally ranges from $8,000 to $20,000 depending on automation features. This machine allows entrepreneurs to create private label chocolate brands, which can be sold through supermarkets, gift shops, and online platforms. The global confectionery industry continues to grow rapidly, making this a profitable packaging niche. The CBW vertical form fill seal machine with multi-head weigher is widely used in the snack food industry. It can package products like chips, nuts, popcorn, candies, and dried fruits. The multi-head weighing system ensures extremely accurate product measurement before filling each pouch. Most machines can produce 40 to 120 pouches per minute, depending on product weight. The machine integrates bag forming, weighing, filling, sealing, and printing in a single automated line. Prices typically range between $12,000 and $30,000, depending on the number of weighing heads. Snack food packaging is one of the most profitable FMCG businesses, especially when selling branded products in supermarkets or convenience stores. The Landpack pre-made pouch packing machine is designed for packaging semi-liquid and solid food products, such as pickles, sauces, kimchi, chutney, olives, and vegetable snacks. Instead of forming the pouch from film, this machine fills and seals pre-made stand-up pouches, which gives the final product a more premium supermarket appearance. The system usually includes automatic pouch opening, filling, vibration settling, sealing, and date printing. Depending on the model, production capacity can reach 30 to 60 pouches per minute. Most machines are made with food-grade stainless steel and PLC control systems to maintain hygiene and precise operation. Investment typically ranges between $8,000 and $18,000, depending on configuration. This type of machine is perfect for entrepreneurs who want to build a sauce brand, pickle brand, or ready-to-eat food product, which can be sold in grocery stores and online marketplaces. The TG Machine Gummy Candy Packing Machine is designed for packaging gummy bears, jelly candies, vitamin gummies, and soft confectionery snacks. These machines are commonly used in candy factories and supplement packaging businesses. The system typically integrates automatic feeding conveyors, weighing systems, pouch forming, filling, and sealing to create finished retail packages. Production speed usually ranges between 40 and 100 pouches per minute, depending on product weight. Machines are built with stainless steel contact parts and digital control panels to ensure consistent packaging quality. The price typically ranges between $10,000 and $25,000, depending on automation level. With the growing popularity of vitamin gummies and flavored candy snacks, entrepreneurs can create branded gummy products and sell them through supermarkets, convenience stores, and online platforms. The Landpack Multi-Lane Sachet Packing Machine is designed for packaging liquid or paste products such as ketchup, mayonnaise, honey, shampoo, and pet food paste. Unlike single-lane machines, this system uses multiple filling lanes working simultaneously, which greatly increases production speed. Many models can produce 200 to 400 small sachets per minute, making them ideal for mass production. The machine automatically performs film forming, liquid filling, sealing, and cutting to produce ready-to-sell sachets. The investment usually ranges between $12,000 and $30,000, depending on the number of lanes. These machines are commonly used for producing single-serve condiment packets, cosmetic samples, and pet food sachets, which are widely used by restaurants, hotels, and e-commerce brands. The CBW 10-head multi-head weigher packing machine is a high-precision packaging system designed for products that require accurate weight measurement. This machine is widely used for packaging nuts, snacks, dried fruits, candies, frozen foods, and small hardware items. The multi-head weighing system quickly calculates the optimal combination of product weights before filling each pouch, ensuring minimal waste. Production capacity typically ranges between 50 and 120 pouches per minute, depending on the product. Most machines are equipped with touchscreen control panels, stainless steel construction, and intelligent weighing software. The investment usually ranges between $10,000 and $22,000. This machine helps businesses scale quickly in the snack food market, where attractive pouch packaging and consistent weight are essential for building consumer trust. The Hengbiao Spice Powder Packing Machine is designed for packaging spices, seasoning mixes, curry powder, chili powder, and herbal powders. This type of machine uses an auger screw filling system that accurately dispenses powder into small sachets. Most models can package between 30 and 80 sachets per minute, depending on powder flow characteristics. The machine automatically performs film forming, powder filling, sealing, and cutting, creating ready-to-sell packets. The investment generally ranges between $2,000 and $5,000, making it one of the most beginner-friendly packaging businesses. Spice sachets are widely used by restaurants, food delivery brands, and instant food manufacturers, making this machine ideal for small entrepreneurs entering the food packaging industry. The Baoneng Powder Sachet Packaging Machine is another popular solution for packaging seasonings, coffee powder, milk powder, and health supplements. These machines usually feature digital PLC controls, stainless steel frames, and adjustable packaging sizes. Typical production speed ranges between 30 and 60 sachets per minute. Many models also support automatic batch coding and cutting systems, allowing businesses to produce professional retail packaging. Investment generally ranges between $2,500 and $6,000. This type of machine is perfect for creating private label spice brands, instant drink mixes, or protein supplement sachets that can be sold in supermarkets, gyms, and online stores. The LIENM Sachet Powder Packing Machine is designed for small factories that need efficient and affordable powder packaging equipment. It can handle products such as flour, coffee powder, cocoa powder, herbal medicine powder, and seasoning blends. Most machines support packaging weights between 1 gram and 100 grams, which makes them ideal for sample packs and retail sachets. The machine integrates bag forming, powder filling, sealing, and cutting in one automated system. Production capacity usually ranges between 25 and 70 sachets per minute. The typical investment is between $2,000 and $4,500. Because powder products are inexpensive to produce but sell well in branded packaging, this machine is perfect for launching small packaged food or supplement businesses. The Jiading Small Pouch Packing Machine is a versatile packaging system designed for granules, powders, and small solid products. It can be used to package items like seeds, sugar, salt, instant coffee, fertilizer, and small hardware parts. Most machines feature automatic bag forming, measuring, filling, sealing, and cutting functions controlled through a digital interface. Production capacity typically ranges between 30 and 80 bags per minute depending on product type. The investment is usually around $2,500 to $7,000, making it a practical option for small-scale factories. Because this machine can package many different products, it allows entrepreneurs to launch multiple small packaged products under one brand and test different markets. So those were 15 pouch packing machines that can help you build a profitable small factory business. If you're serious about starting a manufacturing business, remember that the real opportunity is not just the machine, it's the brand and the product you build around it. Now I'm curious, which machine from this list would you start a business with? Comment below and let me know. And if you want more videos about machine businesses, manufacturing ideas, and profitable small factories, make sure you subscribe.